Hello, today's training video is on selling payment processing services. In this short video, we'll explore the ins and outs of selling payment processing in a three-part framework. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Before we can effectively sell credit card processing services, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of the process itself. Let's start by exploring why credit card processing is so important in today's digital age. As more and more customers rely on credit and debit cards for their purchases, businesses that accept card payments can significantly expand their customer base, enhance customer convenience, and increase their sales revenue. Studies show that businesses that accept multiple forms of payment like PayPal, Venmo, or even crypto experience a significant boost in revenue compared to those that only accept the standard credit cards. You know, I remember when I was a little boy, my grandfather always said, if you can't afford to buy something with cash, you have no business owning it. And I was so confused because whenever we'd go to the grocery store or the mall, I saw these people whipping out all these plastic cards and swiping left and swiping right. And I was like, grandfather, we need to get one of those. Look at all the things that you could have if you just had one of those. But maybe grandfather was onto something. Who knows? Okay, now that we have an understanding of the importance, let's dive into the key players involved in credit card processing. Understanding their roles is essential to effectively sell these services. Okay, now let's switch gears. Now let's explore the transaction process itself and a comprehensive understanding of how credit card processing payments work. Credit card processing involves multiple entities collaborating to facilitate seamless transactions. These entities includes the merchant, which is the business, the customer, the acquiring bank, which is the merchant's bank, the issuing bank, which is the customer's bank, and the payment processor, a third-party service provider. Each player plays a vital role to effectively sell credit card processing. And I know that was a mouthful. Now that you have a solid understanding of what credit card processing is, I think you do, let's dive into the strategies of selling these services to effectively gain customers. Some businesses may have concerns about fees, securities, or integration with their existing systems. By listening attentively and addressing their concerns, we can tailor a sales pitch to highlight the benefits that matter most to them. Now, let's focus on highlighting the benefits of accepting credit card payments. By accepting credit cards, businesses can experience increased sales, improved cash flow, reduce fraud risk, enhance customer satisfaction, and streamline the accounting process. These benefits are crucial selling points that can positively impact their bottom line. You know, addressing customer concerns is so key to winning their trust. So let's explore some common concerns and how you can effectively handle them. Usually it's concerns about fees, security vulnerabilities, and integration challenges. So, you want to be prepared and explain the fee structure, highlight the security measures, and provide information on easy integration, which will help alleviate their concerns and then you earning their business. We are now ready to close the sale and provide ongoing support to our customers. Presenting a compelling proposal is crucial in closing the sale. We need to clearly outline features, benefits, and the pricing structures of the credit card processing services. Once the sale is closed, it's essential to provide ongoing support. This includes assisting with system setup, integration, and providing comprehensive training to ensure a smooth transition. And if you're with a solid merchant provider, they have the tools and the staff that could help with this process. Congratulations, you have now learned the three-part framework for selling credit card processing services. By understanding the process, identifying customers' needs, highlighting benefits, addressing concerns, and providing ongoing support, you'll be well equipped to succeed in this field. Now, we can't teach it all in less than 10 minutes, but this just gives you a general idea of how the process works from beginning to end. Remember, I can't stress this enough, this is a people sport, so building strong relationships and delivering exceptional customer service is key to long-term success in this industry or any industry. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and be sure to leave a comment sharing your own entrepreneurial dreams and aspirations. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams and creating a life of purpose and independence. Thank you.